Hi there everyone. Thank you all for being here. I hope you're all okay and welcome to Tuesday. I think we were on 668 subscribers, or so I've been told. Last time I looked was 666, but there we go. I just appreciate each and every one of you. It makes it all worthwhile. Right, did another little bit of shopping yesterday and went into Iceland. And I know Christmas is over. However, I did find these Christmas dinner kebabs, 4 of them. Just turkey breasts, stuffing balls and pigs in blankets on skewers. 400 grams. Its original price was £5. And I saw that sticker on which says £1.20. So I thought, why not give it a go? You can defrost it and cook it for 35 minutes in an oven, or you can cook it from frozen for 45 minutes in the oven, or 18 to 20 minutes in an air fryer. So Christmas dinner kebabs. Turkey breast with added water, 45%. Turkey breast, 89%. Water, potato starch, stabilisers, diphosphates, triphosphates, salt, preservatives, sodium acetates, antioxidants, ascorbic acid, citric acid, thickener, xanthan gum, black pepper, pork and cranberry stuffing bowl 30%, pork 60%, water, sweet and dry cranberries 7%, iron, niacin, thiamine, and the pig in blanket pork sausage is 60% pork, and the streaky bacon is 30%. Your allergy warnings in this one are for wheat, sulfite and soya. So in this 400 gram pack you get 4 Christmas dinner kebabs. Skinless, boneless turkey breast, pork and cranberry stuffing bowl, and a skinless pork sausage wrapped in smoked streaky bacon, skewered onto wooden sticks. And there it is again. For best results, cook from defrost, which I didn't. So, and here is what the 4 of them look like. So we shall see. As we know, it is all in the taste. And that's what they look like. Go for the old pig in blanket first. That's okay. You can taste the smoked streaky bacon. The sausage is absolutely fine. No gnarly nasty bits. There is the turkey. To be honest, the turkey is quite tasteless. And it's very, very chewy. So we'll try one of the stuffing balls now. The stuffing balls are absolutely packed with flavour. You can taste the cranberry, you can taste the sage and onion, and you can also taste the pork. They're very good, very good. The only thing I don't like is the turkey. See if this other one's any different. Another pig in blanket. The pig in a blanket is absolutely fine. We'll try the turkey again. Very, very bland. Doesn't really taste of anything at all, to be fair. Try a bit of salt. Layla, give up. No, the turkey's not good. I've got to be honest, it's very, very chewy and very, very bland. I will have the rest of that shortly, and the cats and the dog will have the turkey. £1.20 reduced to, was £2.40, now £1.20. Original price on the freezer was £5. So there it is. I'm glad that I didn't pay £5 for it. It's definitely not worth £5. It's just about probably worth £1.20, if we're honest. Not something I'd buy again, but I'm glad that I saw it in a reduced section. But overall, totally underwhelmed by it. If you've tried these, folks, please leave a comment in the box below and let me know what you think. I'd be very interested to know. So, if you've enjoyed what you've seen, hit the like button, leave a comment in the box below, hit the bell icon for any future uploads, and above all, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, consider doing so, please. It'll cost you absolutely nothing. helps the channel grow and we become part of a bigger community. So at this point, from myself and the Christmas Dinner Kebabs, as always I will say to you, Namaste. And may your God go with you. Bye for now.